Ginseng is an herb that has traditionally been used in Chinese medicine for the treatment of a variety of different ailments. But you're probably wondering, is it effective in providing a boost for your lungs and respiratory system? Well, that is exactly what we are going to discuss in this video. So, if you're ready, let's get into it. As previously mentioned, ginseng is a traditional herb that is known for its potent antioxidant properties that work well for fighting inflammation. Not only is this beneficial for your lungs, it's also good for pretty much all of the organs and systems of the human body. Not to mention, researchers believe that ginseng may actually provide a boost for the immune system as well. But that's not even the best thing about ginseng when it comes to providing benefits for the respiratory system. The reason is, studies found that ginseng may be beneficial for those with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, aka COPD. And in case you weren't aware, COPD is the third leading cause of death in the United States, which means that it affects far more people than you probably realize. Multiple studies found that those with stable COPD who consume ginseng experience improvements in breathing and lung functionality, which ultimately leads to a better overall quality of life. Keep in mind though, that at this time there is no cure for COPD. However, traditional medicine and herbs such as ginseng can provide some relief for the symptoms. Ginseng can be used in a variety of different ways. The root can be eaten raw, or it can be cooked in dishes such as stir fry or stew. It can also be steamed in hot water to make a healthy, delicious tea as well. Ginseng also comes in supplement form as a capsule, powder, tablet, or concentrated oil, each of which can be purchased from online retailers such as Amazon. I included links to some of our favorite ginseng products down below in the description, so definitely check those out if you're interested. Of course, as always, please be sure to check with your doctor first before using ginseng or any other herbal supplement. Just a reminder, we are not doctors and this video is for informational purposes only. Real quick guys, do me a huge favor and hit the like button. It really helps support the channel and I greatly appreciate it. And while you're down there, go ahead and click the subscribe button as well because we have a ton of other videos on our channel that I think you will enjoy. Just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. And if you want to dive deeper and learn more about this topic, you can go to respiratorytherapyzone.com where we have a ton of free study guides, practice questions, and other helpful resources. I'll drop links to everything you need right below this video down in the description. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Have a blessed day, and as always, breathe easy, my friend.